In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for beginners. If you're just getting started with Asana, this walkthrough will help you set up a project, add tasks, and organize your work so everything stays clear and on track. First, open Asana and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the plus New Project button. This is where you'll build a space for a specific goal, event, or workflow. Choose Blank Project so you have full control over how it's set up. Then, type your project name. Pick something descriptive and easy for your team to recognize later. Before creating the project, choose the view that fits how you like to work. List is great for step-by-step to-dos. Board gives you columns like a Kanban board, and Calendar helps you visualize deadlines across the month. You can change views anytime, so don't stress about picking the perfect one on the first try. When you're ready, click Create Project. Inside your new project, click Add Task. Give your task a clear, action-oriented name, like Draft Q1 Report or Email Client about revisions. Next, click the Assignee field to assign the task to yourself or a teammate. Assigning ownership makes it obvious who's responsible. Then click the Due Date field to set a deadline. Due dates keep everyone accountable and help you plan workload across the project. Click the task to open the Task Details panel. Here you can add a helpful description with context or instructions. Use Subtasks to break the work into smaller steps, and attach files like briefs, images, or spreadsheets so everything is stored right with the task. The comments area is perfect for updates, questions, and decisions, which keeps the conversation in one place instead of scattered across emails. At the top of your project, use the menu to switch between views. List is ideal for seeing priorities and statuses in a straightforward format. Board lets you move tasks through stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done by dragging them between columns. Calendar shows what's due and helps you spot busy days. Timeline, if you prefer a visual plan, lays tasks on a schedule so you can see overlaps and dependencies at a glance. When you're ready to collaborate, click Share to invite teammates. Choose who needs access so they can view the project, add tasks, and keep work moving forward. And that's how you use Asana for beginners. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.